Hi, my loves. It's Kasha, Plannerista 101. Today we are planning in my wellness planner, which last week I was away at a conference and my wellness did not go as well as planned. We are planning for the week of February 24th through March 1st, and this is in my It's Your Year to Shine planner. And I decided to use some encouragement stickers. Just decided I need a bit more encouragement in my health journey this week since last week did not go so well. I'm going to start with placing down some washi. I haven't played with washi in quite a while. As you guys who watch me on a regular basis know, my washi stash is sitting. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut them out to match the lines in the spread. I'm going to be doing that on the bottom of the Monday through Wednesday and the top from Thursday to Friday page. I'm just grabbing more washi because I'm not sure what I want to do. And I think I want to use Teresa Collins ones, which is Be Brave and I'm Enough, because those are just so beautiful. I mean, and they speak volume when it comes to your mental health. And this planner is completely wellness. It's not just fitness. So I think that's very fitting, and I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. And who knows, as the week goes by, I might add more washi. After this, I'm going to add the black one that says I am enough. And then my purple one with swirls that I truly do love. I use it so much. So that one with like the sparkles. I just want them to be lined up pretty evenly so it doesn't look off. This is completely off. I'm going to have to redo this. It is so wrong. And I usually just keep a sticky note on my desk for scraps from my washies whenever I do this. And I tend to extend my washi just a bit to make sure I get the desired look. Okay. And yes, it's not perfect. I can see it's a little crooked, but it doesn't bug me as much as I thought it would. So I'm just going to keep it and place the black one in the middle. Okay, so I think the washi part is complete. Now I'm going to take some stickers from the encouragement as well as the 829, which is Planner Basics, sticker book and get some checklists going for my meal tracking. So I had the encouragement book for a very long time. However, I've never used it for some reason. I'm not sure why. It was just never something that I utilized up to this point. And it has some great sayings, and I'm gonna try to keep the same color scheme. So maybe like purples and pinks and a little bit of yellow here and there to bring in some of that yellowness into the spread. And this week I've decided to add a morning routine and a night routine to my spread. I think those will work quite great. And remember, you don't need to line up everything perfectly in your planner. It can be off center, it can be whatever you want it to be. I sometimes will take my stickers and extend them beyond the line, like so. And this sticker book has some really interesting stickers like make time to and the challenge of the week. Interesting little things here and there. And I'm just gonna place checklists all over the page. I'm gonna alternate purple and pink in there just to be able to catch all of my meal plans, or not even plans, just in general tracking what I eat during the week to see how I'm doing. And then again, whenever I do something that requires quite a bit of stickers, I tend to put it on the back of my hand. And I need one last purple one. And then I'm going to go back to the encouragement book and find the mood stickers. And again, I'm going to alternate pink and purples. And then I'm just going to decorate the spread with a few quotes after that. This book is extremely colorful. It is so colorful. I couldn't get over it. So I found the sticker that says "You Are," and it lists things like smart, beautiful, amazing. I really do like it. And I found one that says "Happy Life." And I'm just going to work on my sidebar, and that will be the end of this spread. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you did like how this turned out. Again, this is a wellness planner, so it's a little bit different than regular planning. I'm going to be filling out those bubbles with breakfast, lunch, dinner, and vitamins, which is for my medicine as well. So I take all of my pills, and then I just mark them as I take them. So for those of you who are subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. I appreciate you guys so much. And for those who are visiting, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you on my channel as part of our planner family. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys very, very soon. Bye!